In this video, we will learn how to make a dynamic project tracking in Excel. So, from project's progress, it's starting from pending, assigned, created, shipped to delivered. And we are taking is an uncompleted as undone and completed as a done. So, we will select a cell of project progress. We will move to insert and click on checkbox to create a checkbox. Now, simply we can click here to find the status of the project progress. Now in done section, how much task is completed? We will calculate in a percentage. So for calculation in percentage, we will use a formula count if this range are true, then only it will count divided by count a, like how much column are there. So from pending to delivered, it will count, and then we'll click OK. As it no task is completed in project, so it's showing 0%. Now I will drag it to down. Now it's time to complete how much task is not completed. That is completed 100% minus completed is not completed. So 100% of the task is not completed. Now we will create a data bars using the conditional formatting. So we'll go to the conditional formatting in data bar section in more rules, and then we'll change it to the number for both maximum and minimum. Minimum number is 0, that is 0%, and maximum number is 1, that is 100%. As it is not completed task, so we will mark it as red. So now we can see 100% task is not completed and it's showing is a full data bar. We'll do the same thing in done section. We'll get to more, and then we'll change it to number for both. Change the highest value as a 1, and then for its as it is completed task, so we will mark as a green. Now we can click here to find a status, and the same as the data bar is moving for each of the project. Like for Ananya, it's created a project and then the C delivered, but it's not shipped, like it can be. So it's working very fine. Now your data visualization is very good. Now you can check how much task is completed, how much task is not completed, and then which one is pending, and then it's very easy useful for you to find out who has not completed the task, and then how much percentage has completed, and same it's showing in the data bars also. So thank you for this video, and then follow us for more. This guy will update you daily for this kind of Excel sheet. Thank you.